Today we're going to meditate with the elements. The elements can help us purify, alchemize anything that is making us ill or worry or sad. They're readily available around us, of course, and we're part of nature, so they are in our bodies as well. We will begin with a few breaths to come here now, hands in front of the heart, inhaling, exhaling anything that is making us worry right now. Inhaling, bringing anything you need at this point to be present. And exhaling tension and anything that's getting in your way of being here now. And again, and exhaling. And then let's put both hands in front of the heart and say thank you to Mother Nature for her elements that feed us every day and help us to stay healthy. And exhale. And now you can relax your arms and you can start summoning the earth element. Imagine that you're building a belt of black, fertile, moist earth around your lower belly. So from the belly button down, just a wide belt of black, fertile, rich, moist earth. The most fertile earth to grow seeds. And we want to sow the seeds of your longings. What do you long in your life right now? What do you long for? Is it more joy? Is it more community? Is it more connection with others? Less stress? Just visualize what you long for. And then imagine that you're sowing these seeds in this fertile earth. At the same time, the earth, when it's so fertile, can really compost quickly anything that is heavy for you. Send it down to the earth so she can compost it for you. Make new life, create new life. And there it is, this belt of black, fertile earth for any other seeds that you want to sow. And anything else you want to compost. Leave it right there for now. And now let's visualize the blood of the mother, the blood of our own bodies, the water element. Imagine this water element as a red belt around your body, between your belly button and your solar plexus, that soft spot between your ribs. So imagine it there, and not just very near the skin, but you can expand it out. So like a ring, like a donut of red water around. The water that purifies, that cleanses everything it touches. Water is so powerful. It can just wash any worries or anything that is too much for you to handle right now. Let the water come and cleanse you and purify you. And maybe tame some of that heat from your liver and pancreas, that heat that if it gets too hot, it can make you bad temper. So let it tame the fire of your own body and let it bring you healing. And then let this water also trickle down to the seeds that you sowed in the earth. So those seeds can start feeling fat and ready to germinate by the water. And just leave this red band of water around you, this big belt of water. And now let's start summoning, calling the fire element, and bring it around the body at the level of the heart, so it can warm up your heart. It can even dry up if you're having pneumonia or any moist on your lungs, too much moist, too much sadness, too much melancholy. Let's have this warm fire element come and bring healing to your heart and lungs. And allow it to feed you and open your heart even more, that warmth of fire element, that fire that is in the sun, our local star, and within the earth, the mother, at her core. That golden fire that helps us shine our beauty. And let the fire alchemize anything, again, that is heavy, that is in our hearts, that is blocking our love, our ways of relating to the world more lovingly and with more trust. Let the fire element burn. Burn, 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 as it does, fast transformation fire. And keep visualizing the fire band around your chest, the red water band around the solar plexus, and the black band of earth at the level of the lower body. And now let's begin calling on the air element with the color of the moon when it shines at night and is moist, silver, the silver light of the moon, tinting the air element around the throat, around the whole neck, just like a donut around the neck. It can help us flow in our expression, the expression of our passion, of what we love to do in life. So let the wind element come and cleanse you and purify you with this band around the neck and beautiful silver color of the moon. And now have the sun, the warmth golden band, shine on the seeds that you sowed in the earth. And let the sun call, the light of the sun, call these seeds to germinate. And then let the color of the moon, the silver, also call in the seeds to germinate, to flower, to blossom, to become their potential. And now we're going to install the white, pure white band around the forehead, the center of vision, of envisioning. So it can purify our thoughts, it can purify our seeing, and envision it just around like a band around your head at the level of the forehead, purifying everything you see and everything you think, so your mind is clear, is pure, like the purest white glaciers or snow-peaked, like the purest snow of the highest peak of the mountains of the earth, closest to the heavens, closest to the most sublime part of nature. And let this white, pure energy also shine on the seeds that you sow. So those seeds come and manifest as a clear vision of your destiny. So let the seeds sprout, blossom, and come through all the elements, touched by all the elements, and let them become the vision of your destiny that is not separated from the destiny of the earth and of all our relations. So how those seeds that you sow, that you planted for yourself, connect to the destiny of the whole planet and of all sentient beings. So your vision is not disconnected from the vision of a better world for all our relations. Let it be clear, let it be palpable, let it be real, right there in front of you. And also now take it inside to your heart. So it's not just a vision that is pristine and clear, but also now it has the pulse of your heart. So give it feeling. What does it feel like, that vision? If you are there, how do you feel? What else perhaps you have to add to that vision so it feels really good, so it feels complete, so you are not alone, but you are one with life and with Mother Earth. What would it take to take that vision of your destiny, of your longings, out to become a vision for the world? And what do you need to do for that vision and that feeling to become real, to come into fruition, to give fruits? What do you need to do for your seeds to give fruits that are not just for you, but that are for the world, to feed the children, to take care of the elder, to do everything we need to do to care for the planet? I invite you to really give shape to your vision and give flesh to your feelings so you can be the change that you long for. And now let's say thank you to the elements and let them rest. Let them go back to nature. The white band may go back to the sublime realms, to the pure snow of the high mountains, to just the pure subtle realms of the world. And the silver color and the wind may go back to nature and stay. Whatever needs to stay in our bodies, let it stay. But then the golden band releasing the fire element back to nature, to the sun and inside of the earth. And the water element to the rivers and the oceans, feeling that oneness with all the waters of the earth. So let it go back to nature and then releasing the earth band back to the land. And knowing that the elements are always there. And again, not just outside, but within ourselves. So anytime you feel like you want to commune with the elements and sow seeds for your becoming and the becoming of the earth as an earth keeper, please, you can always summon them and go through this meditation. Thank you.